I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with 5 braided lock styles. But I'll need your help. Please help me choose my Valentine's Day hairstyle. And you can vote by leaving a comment below, letting me know 1 through 5 which was your favorite. So these are old braids that I've had since December 31st. Okay, I did redo the first row, but actually I don't think I redid them for this video. I think I redid them after the video. So yeah, that's why you saw me brush my edges out, because it's a little fuzzy. I have washed them several times, so don't get it twisted. So I grabbed a braid to wrap my hair in a ponytail, and I gave me some volume, which I liked, but I wanted to try some more height. So I grabbed another braid to give it more height, and it looked really cool. However, it felt a little heavy. It felt kind of uncomfortable, but it looked cool. What do you guys think? So if you vote for the ponytail, I hope you know that you're voting for the lower ponytail, not quite that high. So here's the second style. I start off with a ponytail holder this time, and I simply put all of my braids into petals, which is really easy. All you need are little tiny black rubber bands. Well, depending on your hair color. If you have red locks, then you want to try red rubber bands. They're out there. Blonde rubber bands. You get the picture? So now I just have to figure out the placement of the petals. This was a little bit difficult because I guess I didn't really know exactly what I wanted, so I was just playing around with it. I ended up pinning a couple lock petals in place, and I had them all pushed to the side, and I like that effect. So if you like this style, vote for number 2. And this style is super simple. I kept my braids down and I just accessorized them with flowers. So I'm a very arts and crafts person, so I have this kind of stuff in my collection. But I believe, well, I got the little flowers from when Kafele did my hair for the bridal shoot, and I had the big flowers from an art project I did. And what do you think? I just used regular hairpins. What do you think? That was actually inspired by Chloe Bailey, a shoot that she did for Ivy Park. And this style I've done before on my channel. Well, not quite. I did Bantu knots just around the front, and here I'm doing Bantu knots like for the whole half of my head. So that's really simple. Take your braid and wrap it around itself and tuck it inside. You don't need rubber bands necessarily or pins, but you can use them if you need. I didn't. That was a super simple style. If you like that style, that's number 4. And the last style, which is a little bit more complicated, I roll the back half into a short style, so it kind of looks like I have a short cut, and I pinned the rolls, and I think I ended up having like 9 rolls in the back. And then the middle locks, I braided those braids into 2 braids, and I rolled those so they kind of look like pin curls, and I just pinned them in place, maybe 2 pins. And then the 2 braids in the front, I rolled those to give myself like a pin curl in the front, like a side sweeping pin curl. You know guys, if you've been following me for a while, then you know I love me a retro lock inspired hairstyle. So that might be my favorite. I'm not sure, but let me know down below which hairstyle you want me to rock on my Valentine's Day date. 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. All right, thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.